I must admit that one of the reasons why I am pissed off to no end is really the way government moves. Napakatagal ho talaga. At minsan napakatagal because they purposely do it to commit graft. And sometimes it is really a circuitous thing, a very tedious process of getting the papers through the grid. There is always a monkey wrench. I would need a faster cabinet and a faster bureaucracy because I am a man in a hurry. I have about 3 years or less, few months left, and there are things which I believe I must act on para maitupad ko ninyo yung promise ko. If you remember, I distinctly remember also that I never really promised you anything. I never mentioned the infrastructure because I was not sure where I would go kasi yung pera.